Unlock the power of social proof and transform your Shopify store with a flood of genuine CJ Dropshipping reviews. We're diving into a crucial step for any successful dropshipping business. Seamlessly import your hard-earned product reviews from CJ Dropshipping directly to your Shopify store. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about building trust, boosting conversion rates, and giving your customers the confidence they need to click that buy button. First, log into your CJ Dropshipping account and navigate to the product you want to import reviews from. Locate the section displaying the existing product reviews. Depending on CJ Dropshipping's features, you might have a direct export option. Look for a button labeled Export Reviews or Download Reviews. If such a feature isn't directly available, you'll need to manually copy the review text, the star rating, and the reviewer's name for each review. Be thorough and ensure you capture the essential details. Now, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. We need a reliable review app to manage and display these imported reviews. Search for popular and well-regarded review apps like Lux, Judgm, or Stompedio. Most of these apps offer a free plan or a trial, making it easy to get started. Install the app of your choice. Once installed, navigate to the app's dashboard. Within your review app settings, you'll typically find an import reviews or bulk import section. This is where the magic happens. If you had an export file from CJ Dropshipping, upload it here. Follow the app's prompts to map the columns correctly, ensuring the review text, star rating, and reviewer name are matched to the right fields. If you copied reviews manually, you'll likely have an option to paste them into a designated area, often one review per line with clear formatting. Once the import is complete, you should see your CJ Dropshipping reviews beautifully displayed on your Shopify product pages. This instant boost in social proof will significantly enhance your product's credibility and give potential customers the validation they're looking for. By implementing this simple step, you're building a stronger, more trustworthy brand and paving the way for a more profitable dropshipping venture.